Welcome to Wise Owl English Learning. What are you doing?
I am playing with my toys.
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
What are you eating?
I am eating an apple.
What are you drinking?
I am drinking water.
Are you okay?
I am fine.
Are you listening?
Yes, I am listening carefully.
Are you singing?
Yes, I am singing a song.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you see?
I see a cat.
What are you drawing?
I am drawing a house.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is my car.
Where is your mom?
She is in the kitchen.
Where is your dad?
He is at work.
What are you writing?
I am writing a story.
Where are your shoes?
They are under the table.
What is this?
This is a ball.
What are you reading?
I am reading a book.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What is your name?
My name is Sophia.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
What animal do you like?
I like dogs.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is hide and seek.
What do you do every morning?
I brush my teeth.
Where is your book?
It is on the desk.
What are you looking for?
I am looking for my hat.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Miss Anna.
What are you watching?
I am watching a cartoon.
What do you do in the evening?
I do my homework.
Where is your brother?
He is in the garden.
What do you like to do?
I like to ride my bike.
What are you making?
I am making my bed.
Can you tie your shoes?
Yes, I can tie my shoes.
Can you solve this puzzle?
Yes, I can solve this puzzle.